Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today the topic of our practical is normal saline and 5% dextrose solution. Things which we are going to cover related to saline and dextrose solution are their apparatus, ingredients, calculations, procedure, their uses, and in the end I'll give you an assignment. Apparatus we need to prepare and dispense 100 ml of normal saline includes balance, measuring glass and dispensing bottles. And in ingredients we have sodium chloride. Now coming to the calculations of normal saline. Normal saline is 0.9% of sodium chloride solution, in which we have 0.9 grams of NaCl and 100 ml of water. Now the question in your paper can come in this form: what will you do if they ask you to make 70 ml or 60 ml of solution? Points are: number 1, for this you have to calculate how much milligram of NaCl we will need for 1 ml of solution. Like we are going to divide 0.9 by 100 and we'll get the answer how much we need for 1 ml. Now point 2, then we have to multiply that answer of 1 milligram with the required solution, like if they give you 70 ml or 60 ml. Now coming to the rate of administration. Rate of administration is 10 ml per body weight, which is in pounds. You have to keep in mind we are giving the dose according to the body weight in pounds. Example, the weight is 20 pounds. We are going to give 10 ml per pound, which is 200 ml. Now here are the steps of procedure for making normal saline. Step 1. Take 100 ml of water in measuring glass and pour it into dispensing bottle. 2. Mark the level of 100 ml in the dispensing bottle. Discard the water. Step 3. Weigh 900 mg of sodium chloride, dissolve it in a small quantity of distilled water in a beaker and pour it in the dispensing bottle. Step 4. Add more distilled water up to 100 ml mark. In this picture you can see we are weighing 0.9 gram of sodium chloride, from which we are going to make our saline solution. Now that's how you will mark the bottle up to 100 ml of the solution for saline. And later on we'll discard the water. We'll add 0.9 gram of NaCl and we'll add water up to the mark and then shake it for making a saline solution. How to paste it on dispensing bottle. Here are some uses of normal saline which we are going to discuss. 1. As the first line treatment of dehydration and shock. 2. To maintain fluid balance. Number 3. As eye drops to irrigate and wash the injured eye. Number 4. As mouthwash and saline gargles. Now we are going to discuss how to make 5% dextrose solution. The apparatus we need to prepare and dispense 100 ml of 5% dextrose solution includes balance, measuring glass, dispensing bottle, and in ingredients we have dextrose. Calculations of dextrose solution is same as that of saline solution. In 5% dextrose solution we have 5 grams of dextrose and the volume of solution is 100 ml. Now if the question comes, what will you do if they ask you to make 80 ml or 50 ml of solution? The answer and calculations are same like we have done for saline. Number 1, you have to calculate how much dextrose we need for 1 ml. For this we have to divide 5 by 100 and we multiply answer with our required solution. The procedure for making dextrose and saline solution are same. The points are same, only we are going to replace sodium chloride with dextrose. Number 1, take 100 ml of water in measuring glass and pour it into dispensing bottle. Step 2, mark the level of 100 ml in the dispensing bottle and then discard the water. Weigh 5 gram of dextrose, dissolve it in a small quantity of distilled water in a beaker and pour it in the dispensing bottle. Add more distilled water up to the mark of 100 ml. According to the procedure, we are weighing 5 grams of dextrose on a weighing balance. As same for the saline, we will mark the bottle up to 100 ml for the dextrose solution, and later on we will discard the water. For making dextrose solution is same as that of saline. We will add 5 grams of dextrose and add water and then shake it to make a dextrose solution. The procedure is very simple for both. You can see there are two pictures. One shows how to make label, which includes serial number, name, age, sex of the patient, direction of use, date and signature. And in second picture you can see we have pasted the label on the dispensing bottle. There are two uses of dextrose solution. We can give it in the case of dehydration and in hypoglycemia. Now coming to your today's assignment, write down following details in your practical notebook for both saline and dextrose separately. Mention practical title, apparatus, ingredients and procedure, calculation, uses, write calculation or blank page of the practical copy. Thank you.